You might want to export simulation results in the form of images of plots or script variables. Exported variables can then be loaded into another simulation file at a later time, or they can be loaded into a third-party tool for additional analysis. Data can be exported in different formats, and we'll cover the export of figures, numerical data files, exporting data to a text file or spreadsheet, and exporting data to MATLAB. Some export methods can be carried out through the graphical user interface, and some require the use of script commands. Additional options for data export are listed in the related links below this video. Figures can be exported to image files from the visualizer window, from the button in the toolbar, or the Export To button in the plot options. They can also be exported from figure windows using either the toolbar button for line or vector plots, or from the File menu for surface plots. Numerical data files which have a .ldf file extension are used by numerical tools. You can save the data to the .ldf format and load it in another simulation file. Any variables in the script workspace can be saved to a numerical data file, so this could be monitor data that has been sent to the script workspace or user-defined variables in the script workspace. The data is saved by using the Save Data script command, and it can be loaded using the Load Data script command. This is the simplest way to save script workspace data, since once you close the simulation file, the script workspace data is lost and doesn't get saved along with the file. For more information about the script commands mentioned in this video, including details about the syntax and example code, see the related links. To export data to a text file, you can use the text option of the Export To button in the visualizer to save the data directly to a text file, or you can use the clipboard option, which will copy the data that's plotted in the visualizer to the clipboard so that it can be pasted into a text file or spreadsheet. It's also possible to write data to a text file from the script using the write script command, where the syntax is very similar to the Save Data script command that we just saw for saving variables to the numerical data format. It's also possible to export figure data to MATLAB from the visualizer using the Export to MATLAB button in the toolbar. Two options are available. The MATLAB Export option opens a MATLAB instance and plots the equivalent figure as the one that's currently plotted in the visualizer. The MATLAB Export Script option plots the figure using MATLAB and also saves the data to a .mat file, and the MATLAB script used to generate the plot to a .m file, so the plot can be reproduced again later in MATLAB. Note that you must have a compatible version of MATLAB installed on your computer in order to use this feature. You can find more details on the MATLAB requirements in the related links below. A script command, MATLAB save, can be used to save any data from the script workspace to a .mat file, which can be loaded in MATLAB.